what's up? So today we're doing something a little different. I'm helping my buddy Richard put his wheels together. They're a three-piece wheel, but the process is all the same for all three-piece wheels as far as I know. These happen to be a set of old school HREs 540Rs. He had to resize the lips on them. They were a little bit too small. He wanted a more aggressive look on them. So we're gonna do a step-by-step on how to put all the three-piece wheels back together. So you guys can watch. All right, guys. So here to help me with this project is my buddy Richard.
What's up, guys?
So silicone, very simple. Outer barrel.
We're basically going on everything that you need to put together the wheels.
Base.
And the lip. In this scenario, these wheels are gonna be for a C606 Corvette. This is an 8.5-inch barrel with a 3-inch lip, and then with the faces of the 540R. Really simple to do. I thought it was a lot harder to do. It's actually not. It's real simple. I'm gonna show you one of the bolts that go in there. Everybody thinks it's like very special bolt. You can see there. It's a. I think these are made by ARP for HRE. I'm not too sure, but it's a 5/16 socket, 12 point. So very, very simple. Nothing special to it. So what Yosani's gonna do now, he just cut the hole for the silicone. We're gonna silicone the whole outside of the barrel. I'm gonna previously mention that I had already taken these apart from the old lips. Real simple. You take out the bolts from the face, take out the lips, remove the silicone, and just sand this down and clean it up, ready for the new ones. So basically, you grab the silicone, you cut it to the size that you're gonna need. We're gonna bead the whole area around here, and then we're just gonna place the lip and then the face on top. One thing that we're gonna do to make our lives easier is grab 2 bolts and line them up with the lips and the face to make it a lot easier.
Use it as a guide.
Use it as a guide to makes it easier to line everything up, so you don't have to move it around after the silicone's already in there. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So we finally put the lips on and on the barrels. We put the face. We mounted all the bolts. The next process is to torque them down.
The bolts.
So with a silicone,
we cross them with 4 nuts in the back.
Yeah, that way you can hold the face in place.
Yeah.
So the other thing we did, if you guys noticed, we put tape. That way the silicone that Yosani put on the edge, that it goes all the way around, when we torque it down, it's gonna come out from that middle section here, so it'll keep it flat. So once we torque it down, that it starts creating a line, a bead, when we take off the tape, it's gonna be nice and flat. So the next step is to torque it down to 25 pounds. Basically, we get the socket, the 5/16. We basically hold it in place, and then we got a torque wrench. We'll put it down to 25 pounds. One person can do it. It's easier to do with 2 people because one person can hold each bolt and you can start going one at a time. 1, 1, 1, and then you torque from the back. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. Ready?
Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so we're done torquing. Remember, 25 pounds. It's a lot of bolts, but it's done.
There you go. Built a wheel.
All right.
So perfect.
Just 3 more to go.
Yeah, and I guess we'll do another video once I put them on the car, so people can see what they look like on the car.
Yeah. We'll do,
Yeah, so I have to widen it up, so I'm gonna put 325, 30, 20. Going with the Toyo R888s, 888s. So the car should hook a lot better. I'm gonna get the new caps. They come in next week. I'm gonna change out to the original caps with the ones that I like. Other than that, things look great.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the support.
Where's
See you
the
guys
button?
on the next one.
Is the button like right here?
Somewhere in the bottom.
Somewhere over here?
Thank you guys.